just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Transit. So any screen, if you go to your music, your iTunes or whatever, if you've got this set up properly, let me just turn that down, you'll see at the bottom the silver triangle with the 3 red circles, the broadcast symbol. Ford Transit, there's a tick next to it. That means that anything that plays from this phone, any audio, if you've got that set right, the audio will come through the speakers in the cab. So we'll go back to the tune, we'll click play. Click play again. It didn't like my fingerprint then. Over here we go to audio, and then at the top sources, click on sources. At the moment it's on FM, but if I click my iPhone, it's connecting. That's showing what's playing on here. If I turn this up, I'll just turn that up. There you go. That's it. The music playing works with the soundtrack off any YouTube videos, Spotify, Amazon Music, you name it, it works.